Hi, this is Jeff from CraftOptics, and this one is for people who wear contact lenses, okay? What do they do with their CraftOptics? Well, if you wear your contact lenses all day long, every day, and that's what you wear when you do your work, then there are two scenarios. One, if you never need to wear any kind of reading correction over your contact lenses, then you just install clear lenses in your CraftOptics, okay? That can be a scenario where someone wears multifocal contact lenses, for example. Now, a lot of people who wear multifocal contacts also wear a light reading correction over them because it's fine for that multifocal contact correction is fine for day-to-day stuff, but if they're doing fine detail work, sometimes they need a little boost and they put that, they wear a little light reader. In that case, you want to put that same reader in your CraftOptics. So remember, when you're wearing them, this is kind of the easiest way to think about it. If I have contact lenses on now, but I still wear a light reader, I put that reader in the frame. That way, when I'm looking, when I flip the magnifiers up and I look down, I can still see as I'm used to seeing, but through that light reader. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? Then the magnifier drops down in front of that reader. It's enhancing that reader. It's enhancing what you already have and what you're used to, but it's just giving you that much more of a power boost. Okay. Now, sometimes people who wear contact lenses say, hey, you know what? Maybe I see a little bit sharper with my glasses. I think I'd rather have my eyeglass prescription installed in my CraftOptics. Well, that's up to you. So a lot of people, what they do is they will start with just wearing their contact lenses, and over time, they will make that switch, and they can always, down the road, put their complete eyeglass prescription in the CraftOptics if they want to. But that's just up to you and how you prefer to work. So if you have any questions about that, give us a call at 888-444-7728. Hopefully this was helpful.